Before we start this video, I need to warn you, what you're about to learn about your own channel is gonna shock you. So please take the following precautions. Put down anything sharp and avoid hot drinks. Nobody unsubscribes from a YouTube channel. Once you've bagged a subscriber, they're in for life, right? I mean, look, this is how you can check. You log into your YouTube studio and then select Analytics, click See More, Subscription Source, then go over to this pull down and see Subscribers Lost. Click it. Okay, here we go. What the Who the I've never felt pain like this before. To have lost over 800 subscribers when your channel only has 4,500. That's like 17% of people. So a million questions might be going through your head right now as to what you've done wrong. But there are so many reasons people unsubscribe. For example, if you make educational content, your viewers might lose interest in the topic, not just your channel. I mean, how many people who want to grow a YouTube channel actually stick with it for the long term? Not as many who stop. So why would they keep following us? This is what I'm telling myself anyway. Another reason might be you changed your own niche. Again, it's totally fine, it happens. And then another reason might be your opinions have annoyed your viewer. But you need to divide to make content that resonates with people. I have to. How vanilla and boring would this channel be if I didn't have an opinion on anything, just because I was scared to lose a subscriber? And you won't get subscribers this way, so you need to accept losing them too. So long as your channel's growing, don't panic. If the number's higher than 50%, I'd probably start looking further into why, but 10, 20, maybe even 30% is gonna be normal. In fact, when you've done this, can you comment how many subscribers you have lost over the life of your channel? You do that by changing the timeline to lifetime like this. I mean, we can start to look at what is normal, and hopefully we're all gonna feel a little bit better about this mess. If you want to learn who is subscribed to your YouTube channel, then watch this video here, or check out our latest release here, and hit that subscribe button. As we make 3 videos a week, 17% of you will eventually get bored of and unsubscribe from. Oh, and by the way, my girlfriend, that wasn't, she was fine with that, it was agreed before, although the third time I spat wasn't.